Hello, welcome to the fourth edition of the English Gator Academy YouTube channel. Today will be an adult lesson. We will learn phrases. Phrases are ways of expressing something in English with words that don't actually mean what is written. Most of the time, the only way you can understand what they mean is by using them in daily conversation. We will hear a small dialogue and then try to figure out what the phrase means. Today's phrase is, "It's raining cats and dogs." It's raining cats and dogs. Let's listen to the conversation and try to understand what the phrase means. Let's go. Hey, hello, John. Are you ready to go shopping? Sure, but it's raining cats and dogs, and I don't want to get soaked. Don't worry, I have an umbrella. Great, then let's go. That was today's phrase. Please tell me what you think that meant in the comments. And please subscribe. I'll be seeing you next time. Have a good one.